Hello and welcome to our next class. We could see from our floor plans on ground floor what we have been able to achieve. We've been able to put our chairs, center table, and the window blinds. So what we need next now, you can also put other things that you used to see in the sitting room. You can still put your standing lights and so on and so forth. But for the purpose of this class, let's just put our ceiling lights so that it can lighten up this place when we do our final rendering. So how do we go about it? Now we want to put our light on our ceiling that we created. So you see ceiling plans. Under ceiling plans you see ground floor. So but when you go to ground floor, you could see that your ceiling is not showing here, which cannot help you to fix in your lighting point when they come. So what do? You go back to this view, you double click inside it, you click on this ceiling and you bring it down just a little bit, you go and check it again. You can see now that it's showing. So once it can show like this, that means you can put your lighting point or your light, anyone you prefer, on inside your sitting room. So we go to our modify. From modify you see components, so you go to load. So from here you can go to metric library of the Revit. You see lighting fixtures, so you see ceiling lights, you see a lot of lights, but I will just stick with this first one, flat round. Open. Once I open it, you can see that it's already showing, so I'll just fix one. Once you fix one, you can continue to fix it like this, 2, 3 and 4. So this one is your creativity. You can now copy this 4. You just window on it so that your work will be fast. You go to copy, you copy from this point, you copy it. You just use your discretion in this aspect, and you copy it, and you make sure that the room is well illuminated for your rendering to be very nice when you finish rendering. So let's go to our 3D view 6, 3D view 6, and let's see what we have done. Can you see our can you see that the light has been done? Now it's for us to begin rendering. That's just the next thing that we need to do. So by the time you begin the rendering, you now begin to assign materials wherever you feel is necessary for you to do. So this is the basis of our rendering. It's very easy to do the rendering now. So what do you need to do? Just press double R to bring out the rendering dialog box. You go to printer, you can put it at 75 dpi. Let's do a draft first and see. We can't go to draft yet because it's exterior sun only, so we need to pick interior sun and artificial. Interior sun and artificial means the sun will brighten from outside. Inside the artificial, these bulbs will now work. So once you have done that, you can now say render. So once you render, you now begin to have an idea of what you really want. So by this time you do the first rendering, you now begin to adjust, you begin to edit it wherever the editing needed to be done, whether it's in the material or in the lighting. You can increase the lighting to make it brighter, and that's how you begin to do your rendering, so that you can get something that is very nice once you finish your rendering. So in the next class we will show you how to do the rendering very well so that you can achieve something worthwhile. Thank you.